When a family breaks apart, the pain is often quiet. Not loud arguments, but empty chairs, unreturned calls, words you wish you could take back or still wish you could say. You may lie awake wondering where things went wrong, feeling the distance grow even when love is still there, carrying guilt that isn't fully yours, holding hope that feels fragile tonight.
If your heart feels tired from loving heart, this prayer is a gentle place to rest. Welcome to Spiritually United, where hearts find peace and souls feel at home. Lord, as this night settles in, I bring you my family, not as it should be, not as it once was, but as it is right now. You see the silence between us. You know the misunderstandings, the pride, the hurt that lingers. I don't have the right words anymore, God, so I place what's broken into your hands.
Breathe calm into my racing thoughts. Soften the places where resentment has taken root. Hold each heart in my family, even in the dark. Lord, in this quiet moment, I come back to you again. The house is still, yet my heart keeps wandering to faces I love, to conversations that never happened, to apologies still waiting to be spoken. Tonight, I ask you to step into the spaces where we no longer meet. Go where I cannot reach. Speak where my voice is not welcome. Touch hearts that feel closed or guarded. Help me release the need to fix everything myself. Teach me the strength of patience, the courage of humility, the peace that comes from trusting you with what feels impossible. I lift each member of my family to you, one by one. You know their fears, their wounds, their quiet longing for peace. Cover them with your mercy as they rest tonight. Psalm 34:18. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. Let that truth settle deep within me. Even in brokenness, you are near.
As the night moves gently forward, I sit with you, God, not rushing toward answers, not demanding change by morning, just breathing in this moment with you beside me. You know how heavy family pain feels at night, when memories grow louder, when regret visits without warning, when love and sorrow rest in the same place.
Teach my heart how to soften without breaking. Show me how to forgive without reopening wounds. Help me love from a distance when closeness isn't possible. I ask you to guard my thoughts as I prepare for rest. Quiet the replaying conversations. Ease the questions that have no answers yet.
Bless my family wherever they are tonight, in homes filled with noise, in rooms that feel lonely, in hearts pretending they are fine. Work in ways I cannot see. Heal what I cannot touch. And as sleep comes, let me rest knowing nothing is beyond your reach.
Lord, as this night deepens, I lean more fully into you. The world feels quieter now, and my heart is more honest. I admit how much I wish things were different, how much I long for healing I cannot create on my own. Take the sharp edges of disappointment and smooth them with grace. Where anger once lived, plant understanding. Where distance remains, allow peace to exist, even without answers.
I ask you to bless the memories that still hurt, not by erasing them, but by softening their weight. Help me remember love without reopening pain. Help me hope without exhausting my spirit. You are a God who restores gently, not all at once, not always loudly, but faithfully, moment by moment. Psalm 147:3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Let that promise settle over me as I rest. If healing comes slowly, give me patience. If reconciliation takes time, give me trust. And if nothing changes yet, give me peace tonight.
Lord, as the night continues, I feel my breathing slow. There is a tenderness here with you, a place where I don't have to explain myself, where you already understand the ache I carry. I give you the future of my family, the conversations I'm afraid to have, the ones I may never have. I place them gently before you, without pressure, without demand.
Teach me how to live well even while waiting, how to love without keeping score, how to trust you with outcomes I cannot control. If tomorrow comes with reminders of what is broken, help me meet the day with grace instead of heaviness. Let my words be fewer and kinder. Let my heart stay soft, even when it feels vulnerable.
Thank you for staying with me through this night, for listening when no one else hears, for holding my family in ways I never could. As rest draws nearer, I release this burden again, into hands far stronger than mine.
Lord, the night is still holding me, and I stay here with you. There is a quiet trust forming now, not because everything is healed, but because I no longer feel alone carrying it. I ask you to work gently in my heart. Remove the urge to replay old wounds. Help me stop measuring progress by visible change. Teach me to notice the small mercies instead.
Where my family feels fractured, be present. In conversations filled with tension, in silence that feels permanent, in love that doesn't know how to return yet. Give me wisdom to know when to speak, and grace to know when to be still. Let my actions reflect peace, even when emotions rise. Proverbs 3:5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding.
Tonight, I choose that trust again. Not perfectly, but honestly. As sleep draws closer, steady my thoughts. Hold my family through this night, and hold me too, until morning comes.
Lord, I remain here with you as the hours pass quietly. The night feels softer now, less heavy than before. Something in me is loosening its grip, not forgetting the pain, but loosening the fear around it. Thank you for meeting me in this stillness, for not rushing my healing, for allowing my heart to unfold at its own pace. I'm learning that broken things can still be held with care, that love can exist even when relationships feel distant, that hope doesn't have to shout to be real.
As I rest, keep my dreams gentle. Let my body feel safe enough to release the day. Let my soul settle into the truth that you are near. If my family comes to mind again, help me bless them instead of worrying. Help me send peace instead of replaying pain. Thank you for the quiet strength you're building in me, for the unseen work happening beneath the surface, for reminding me that healing often begins in silence. I place this night and everyone I love into your care. Nothing more to prove, nothing left to hold tightly. I rest now, trusting you are still at work.
Lord, the night feels deep now, wrapped in quiet and shadows. I sense my body growing heavier, my thoughts slowing, my heart learning how to rest without guarding itself. Thank you for staying close through every layer of this night, through the tears I named and the ones I couldn't, through the hopes I spoke aloud and the ones I barely dared to feel.
I ask you to continue working while I sleep, in places my mind can't reach, in hearts I cannot change, in moments still unfolding beyond my sight. If reconciliation is meant to come, prepare the way gently. If waiting must continue, give me endurance without bitterness. And if peace is all that comes for now, let it be enough to carry me forward. 1 Peter 5:7. Cast all your anxiety on him, because he cares for you.
I lay every worry down again, every question, every fragile hope. As sleep draws near, cover my family with protection. Cover me with calm. Let this rest be deep and restoring. I surrender this night fully to you now, God. Nothing left to manage, nothing left to fix. Just trust, breathing quietly in your care.
Lord, the night is almost complete, and I remain held by you. There is a gentle stillness now, like the world has slowed enough for my heart to keep up. I feel less need to understand and more willingness to simply rest. Thank you for carrying what I could not resolve, for guarding my heart while my body sleeps, for loving my family even when love feels complicated.
If tomorrow brings moments of sadness, meet me there. If it brings unexpected peace, help me receive it. Whatever waits ahead, remind me I do not walk alone. I release the pressure to heal everything at once, to say the perfect words, to be strong every moment. Tonight, being held is enough. Let my breathing remain slow and steady. Let my muscles soften. Let my thoughts drift without returning to worry. Bless each person tied to my heart, near or far, speaking to me or silent. Hold them in your care through the remaining hours of this night. Thank you for this quiet refuge, for staying when I grew tired, for working even while I rest. I settle deeper now into sleep, trusting that love is still alive and that you are still gently restoring what feels broken.
Lord, the night is complete now, and I rest in you, not because every wound has closed, but because my heart feels safely held. There is a quiet assurance here that nothing broken has been forgotten by you. Thank you for watching over this entire night, for listening without judgment, for receiving every unspoken prayer, for being gentle with my limits. As morning waits beyond the darkness, I trust you with what comes next, with the slow work of healing, with conversations yet to unfold, with love that is still finding its way. Numbers 6:24 through 26. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. Let that blessing rest over my family, over every distance, every silence, every fragile hope. Let it rest over me as I sleep. I release this night fully now. No more striving, no more carrying, just peace, received quietly. Thank you for meeting me here and for walking with me into tomorrow. We'll meet again tomorrow, right here in Spiritually United, and you can explore more peaceful videos on this channel.